Ito naman. Alright, so again guys, welcome to Yellow Chicken. So ito po ang dining area nila. Para sa akin, it's very cozy. It's a little bit modern in design. Brooklyn theme. Para siyang ganun, no? Then we have VIP rooms. Actually, they are 3 rooms. If you are a group of, more than 40 or more than 30, collapsible po yung walls natin doon, so they can convert it into a really big room just fit for you. That's our table over there. So Joy's getting ready. Puntahan natin. Alright, so this is our table, guys. So once again, thank you so much, Yellow Chicken. Let's talk about their menu. Pinaka-sinaserve po nila dito, bestseller, popular nila. Yung kanilang mga chicken, of course. On our table, in the middle, ito po yung kanilang 3 boneless chicken set. So for only 850 pesos. Grabe, para sa akin, this is shareable up until 5 to 6 persons. No? Pwede yan. Other variants, so meron tayong spicy chicken, fried chicken, and then kanpung chicken at saka yung seasoned chicken. So those are the flavors that you can actually try. Moving on with the other menus. So if you notice, meron na tayo ditong mga variants or options, either boned or deboned. Other dishes available dito syempre yung mga soup. Ang sinerve nila sa atin for today is yung kanilang sondo butang, which is para siyang kimchi jjigae. Meron tayong odeng tteokbokki, which is this one. Meron tayo ditong fried fish cakes, crispy in the outside and then soft in the middle. Meron din tayo dito yung kanilang roast tteokbokki, which is this one. For me, when you go here guys, go for the best roast tteokbokki. So other dishes, we have ramen menu. You got the classic ramen, the kimchi ramen, cheese ramen, coco ramen. And I can still remember nung nasa Telebasagan tayo, they tried us yung kanilang yellow chicken sandwich, which is this one. Additionally, they want us to try their shakes. We have mango and yung watermelon. This is gonna be our table. I think may mga dishes pa na that are coming in, so tignan na natin to. Let's go! Okay, so finally guys, this is it. We're gonna try them. Grabe, ang dami nito. As I always ask before ako nagsisimula guys, if you were with me, ano kaya yung unang titikman mo dito guys? Please comment at the comment section. Leave it at the comment section. So for me, I'm gonna go first with this one. Yung kanilang soup. Konting mainit pa. So at least, di ba? Ayoko naman yung sobrang init kasi napapaso yung dila ko. But for this one, it's just good enough. There you go. Let's try it. Oh, wow. A little bit spicy. So main components niya guys, para siyang may soft tofu, parang gano'n, no? Yung parang taho. Some ground beef or meat, then yung parang pinaka-soup niya, super duper spicy. Yeah. Ayun guys, so ito nga yung roast tteokbokki. Ayan you still have a little bit of steam because it's still hot. That's a good sign. Let's put it here. Oh man, this is it. So, nasabi ko nga doon sa comment ko kanina, when you go here, go for their chicken at saka yung roast tteokbokki. You will never go wrong. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, wow. Super creamy. Plus yung component niya guys, may rice cake, may fish cake, mga sausages such as this. May sausage tayo. Sarap. Grabe. I don't wanna stop. Ayaw mo huminto. Okay, so let's go to the chickens. We have 2 variants or options, yung deboned or boneless, and then we have their newest addition sa menu. Ayan, yung spicy at saka yung classic natin. So, it's up to you guys if you opt to try this one. Ayan siya, ganito siya. Whoa, there you go. And let's put it on our plate as well, these 2. And then the classic. First here, and guys, all at once. Say for example, you go here as a family and then you have kids, mga small children, they don't want yung mga flavor like spicy or something that is Korean. Meron tayong classic. This is flavor, ganyan, no? Or just plain. This is it, guys. Grabe. Ang laki ng mga cuts. Sobra. Ito naman. So this one still warm. I like it. Medyo mainit pa. Good job. So let's get one that's already dipped. So ito yung sample niya, guys. Yung sauce niya, a little bit sweet, salty. Yung spiciness, konti lang. That's right. Kimchi rice. Ayan. So let's just mix it. Actually, konti lang naman na needed mixing. Sarap nito. First time ko itong matikman dito. Nga pala guys, when you order any chicken dish dito, available po yung ating mga side dishes, unlimited. So order as much as you can when you have any dish or any chicken dish variants. For example, if you order ramen naman, kimchi yung unlimited natin doon. So we still have this one, ito yung kanilang classic yellow chicken sandwich. Okay, so another variation on the way they serve chicken here. So I'm gonna enjoy this with my cameraman. Are you hungry, cameraman? I knew it. Alright, so ayun guys, once again, thank you so much Yellow Chicken for inviting us. Grabe, what a wonderful treat for us. And if you wanna try them guys, available po sila sa Foodpanda, sa GrabFood, Let's Be, and also sa in-house food delivery po nila. They are located dito po sa Fil-Am Friendship Highway. Pinaka-landmark natin dito ay kaharap naman siya ng Blue Moon. For parking, it's not a problem guys. Go straight dun sa likod. It can accommodate up until 20 vehicles, and meron po tayong entrance dun sa likuran naman. And if you want to experience traditional Korean chicken, guys, go check out the Yellow Chicken. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys, peace out.